Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Dr. Mukul Sangma demanded for inquiry on smart meter. Lazarus inaugurates AITC party office at Bajeng Doba. 2 caught in police net. And Dadingre police failed to register FIR on murder case. And now the news in detail. Dr. Mukul Sangma, Trinamool Congress Legislature Party and Opposition Leader, commented on the smart meter conspiracy during the press conference August 18. This whole exercise gave us a reason to believe that there was an intention to cause loss to the state. We don't know how many people were involved in this conspiracy to cause damage to the state. Therefore, the best thing to ask for is an independent inquiry. The price which was indicated in the letter of award comes to Rs 11,000 plus per meter, including the installation and the GST. What has drawn our attention to come to the decision for an inquiry is the market price of the models that have been installed. This is the same meter that then Power Minister James K. Sangma has posted on his social media handle. The open market price is available on the manufacturer's website. There is a huge difference between the price that the government indicated in its letter of award and the open market price, he said.
Qualified all other bidders, then the financial bid of only one tender or only one bidder was open means there was no scope for determining the price, the comparison. So therefore, was there any exercise which can be interpreted as a predetermined exercise? Or well-intended, manipulated mechanism adopted at the time of calling and closing the tender and closing the hour. So all these things having been considered, we have reasons to believe that yes, this whole exercise gives us a reason to believe that we cannot rule out a predetermined mala fide intention to cause loss to the state exchequer.
The MLA of Chokpot constituency, Shri Lazarus M. Sangma of All India Trinamool Congress AITC, on August 18 inaugurated the party office at Bajeng Doba in the presence of other leaders who included Shri Rinaldo Sangma, Rongrong MDC, Silsang Sangma, North Garo Hills District Coordinator, John Manor Marak, former MLA, Ashish Marak and Walden Marak, Bajeng Doba Block President. On the same day, the final match of the Independence Day Cup football tournament was held at the Bajeng Doba High School playground.
Maksa umaha kalau dah Allah cemban tu siapa mana apa imprint kana mana ni jina bukan rasung na ni mah kalau bebe ya office ko ni berkalian jina nam ko pachi pasakyo na ni mo ani yang ni cini kamka ni apa cini ar pun biar perang na bayang ani kan kalau jadi jina enggak pas na macakan biar ko cuma ni ci yang jina cakan kita capen umaha.
On the night of August 17, the police from Cantonment Beat House, along with the members of Anti-Narcotic Task Force, caught 2 persons who were moving suspiciously in Punjabi line in Maulong Hut. On searching, the police found 28,050 rupees in cash, 2 mobile phones, and 4 soap cases filled with heroin weighing 50.37 grams in total. The 2 persons were using one Aprilia 60 scooty which bears the registration number ML05X5083. The 2 were detained by the police and the case is still under investigation. In a strange case of negligence of duty, the Dadingre police station failed to register the murder case on the first information report FIR filed by Shri Billing CH Marak, 32 years, on August 11 on the murder of his father Shri Jirin B. Sangma on August 10. According to the report received from Tura, Shri Jirin B. Sangma left home in the morning of August 10th and did not return home in the evening of that day. Family members did not expect anything will happen to him as they were thinking he might have gone to his cousin's house and spent the night there. On the next day, August 11, Shri Jirin B. Marak was supposed to attend the wedding ceremony at the nearby village, but he was absent there too. In the evening, as he did not return home, family members got panic and started searching the nearby jungle. At around 6 p.m., they found his dead body from the jungle with his throat cut off, according to the information provided by his son, Billing C.H. Marak. Immediately on the same night, Shri Billing C.H. Marak informed the Dadingri police and filed the FIR on the murder incident. Shri Billing C.H. Marak informed that till date, the Dadingri police station have not investigated the case of the suspected murder of his father, late Jirin B. Sangma.
닭 부잡아. 산디안이 닭 부자다 어디 왜?
나는 닭
왜 닭 부잡아?
Nang pani bersirang ada baik terang aku no.
바바니 불시 저똑스니
Bingung deh,
지렌
jiren bisang mah.
왜
Song deh,
리브 그리
nak emang tarik deh.
다르기엔 제 풋발 지금 뭐뭐 어디 이차 비스티발로 치샤
Sisa tarik ko mana. Nak emang may bakora. Pair kora sisa tarik ko ka ama mas ako po na sa sigim tarik ko sa.
치샤 타르곤 가야 발론 가야
Sisa tarik.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.